Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. So today we're making lemon slice cakes using 9 simple steps. So the first thing that we want to go ahead and do, we want to combine our sugar with some lemon zest. Add the butter and mix until it becomes softened. Let's go ahead and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. At this point, we're going to be adding in the eggs. Make sure you add the egg one at a time. You want to continue to whisk the batter until it becomes light and fluffy, slightly yellow. We're going to be squeezing half the lemon into the batter. It's time to work on the dry ingredients. Stir in the flour, baking powder and salt, and let's mix this until it's smooth. Let's add the water or milk. If you don't want to add water, you can always add milk or coconut milk. Let's mix the batter, but try not to overmix because the end result will become hard and dense. I have a pan that has already been greased. We're just going to be pouring in the batter and we're going to be baking it for 40 to 45 minutes at 365 Fahrenheit or until golden brown. This is a good time to work on the glaze, and all we're going to be doing, we're just going to be using the next half of the lemon and combining it with some icing sugar, and this is what we're going to be using to make the glaze. Now our cake is done. We're just going to be testing it to make sure that it's fully cooked, and I'm going to allow this to cool before I remove it from my pan. Adding the glaze, it was so yummy, guys. Thank you for watching.